Alright guys, my cabinets got delivered today. These are the boxes, delivery boxes that I need to take apart after taking and inspecting everything, because it's important when you do your cabinets get delivered to make sure that you check every single cabinet for scratches, damages, so you can reorder it as soon as possible so it doesn't delay your install. So this is just the cabinets that are the boxes that came with the cabinets that I needed to break apart, and then I will recycle them. I do have a bunch of other trash right there, like the flooring that I took off that I'm getting a dump, and so maybe some of this might go in that dump and then they can recycle themselves. But right now I just need to take these boxes apart, and I just wanted to share with you guys that tip, that when you receive your cabinets, make sure that you inspect them and make sure that all the cabinets are good. I already did that, and I'm gonna show you guys in just a second that all my cabinets look clean, no scratches, no like bulging back or something like that. Everything looks sharp. I just cut it back and front, take all the tips, and then just lay it out flat. Just like that. Turn it around. Cut the back. This tape right here. Get it like that. Open it up. Lay it down. Done. It's pretty easy. You can do this too. And if you want to like put it in your trash can, then you have to break it down even further. But right now I'm just doing that. I will decide if I want to put them in my own trash or just wait for the dump, which I'm probably gonna do because this is gonna take over my trash bin, and I still have some trash that I don't need to put away. Another one. There you go. No hard, all right? Super simple. You used to be able to return these things at Lowe's, so I might ask if I can do that, load them in truck and then take them to Lowe's. Because they have their own recycle spot in the back. You can always ask. There, we're done. Pretty easy, guys. So this styrofoam, I do have another box over there that I'll probably just leave it like that, and then that will go in dump. You really can recycle this. You cannot recycle this. All right, so I'm gonna just lay them up on top of this, and we should be good to go. There, that should be good enough. It's out of my way. All right, so now I'm gonna go show you guys the cabinets, show you how they look, and please let me know what you think about the color. This time we got a little bit lighter than what we have, more natural look, but I think they look good. So I'll show you the cabinets. All right, so that's the corner cabinet right there. Let me show you how it opens. happens like that. And it's a soft close. See that? No scratch. Nothing on this side. So very important to check. I'll show you the other one. So that's another corner cabinet right there. The blind corner cabinet. That looks good. No scratches. Those are the shelves. This is the one over the fridge. This time I got like the full width, much deeper. The one I have right now sucks. It's too short. So it looks really sharp. And I like it. And then these are the rest of them over here. Those are the base cabinet, and then that's the top one over there. And I got 42 inches high cabinets. Looks good. So I'm going to update you guys, and the rest of them are here. Cool. I like 42 inches high. Another thing that I really like about this KraftMaid, when you order cabinets from them, they send you everything. They send you all these accessories, including they send you all the screws for install, even though I do have some, but they send me everything to install this. And all this shelf stuff, they send you this scratch. If you have any, like something that you need to cover up, you can use these pins to cover it. I like it, which is awesome. So everything is here. So subscribe if you're interested in seeing stuff like this, and if you're interested in see how I install this, and I'll show you step by step how to do it. The rest of the cabinets, the supplies are here. That's the panel that goes beside the fridge. These are the crown molding and everything else. I'm excited to see how this thing turns out, and I will show you guys how I do it. All right, let me know what you think in the comments, and see you in the next one.